So we just pulled up with the Copart camper. It's looking good. It's all hooked up. AC is working. It's getting warm in here. Check this out, guys. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. You guys haven't seen the cushions yet, have you? So basically she did these to match the blah blah, you know. But those fold out. All this folds into a big bed out, you know, out to here. It all slides out. So these two go together side by side. But there's the backrest. She wanted to keep it, you know, kind of camper sheen. So she did that. This is like an outdoor fabric. And then here's her benches. What do you think? The table's in. It ain't been in forever. What do you guys think? Oh, curtains?
Yeah, the curtains, they're just up for right now while we can't, but we need to fix them when we get home. They don't really fit in an OCD. No. But
check this out, man. It's actually getting used. The hot water heater and the water pump works. Ew, I think it's been on, so I think we had water. I don't know yet. I don't know how to use this. So we didn't bring a water hose to hook it up to water because we didn't know. And look at this. I didn't think this thing worked, and it does. It's a freaking sweet camper, guys. This is where I'm sleeping. So Britt and the little ones get the camper, I get the tent.
maybe we could like transition on a second night.
No, I'll be taking the tent.
I know, we told the older two that they're sleeping in the tent too, and Steele was like, what? Who signed me up to sleep in that cold thing? I was like, you won't be cold. You have like 100 blankets. You're fine.
He needs to not be a chump. Man up. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think. You could get a little mini drone. Fly. Look at that. It just looks good in there, don't it? Man, I'm happy. I'll be checking in periodically, guys. What's up? How's it going in here?
It's good. We're making sandwiches.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Still haven't totally unpacked.
Yeah.
Don't judge.
I wouldn't. I would only unpack what we need. That's it.
Right.
So we're starting a fire out here. Oh man, it picked up. So this is our campsite. Basically from the road back. This is what we got going. Let's see if I can get a good view. So, yep.
I found a big stick before. Can I go get a big stick up that hill, Kevin? Okay.
Well, check this out, guys.
Yeah, all the way up.
So we're gonna put our chairs around this. Man, the camper is holding up, guys. Seriously. This is actually pretty fun. We had a heck of an opportunity to buy this so cheap from Copart. We won it at 425 bucks for all the new people here. And all the new subscribers that just popped up, man. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and watching my videos. Thank you for all your comments. I really appreciate it. Look at this. Does it not just look awesome? And there's where I'm sleeping, back here in the corner. What, buddy?
Okay.
Ooh, good sticks. Let's go put them in there.
Where do we put them?
Just set them in there anywhere. Here, you want me to do it? Here.
Found them all the way up that hill.
Nice.
And there's one. We got her going.
Yeah.
Ew. And there's another big stick.
There. Now we got a fire.
Kevin.
Move these chairs around here. We're gonna do some s'mores.
And we're gonna get this in.
Yep, throw it in there.
Fired.
Hang tight. See you guys in a little bit.
What's up? Next day here and welcome to KV Motors.
It's looking good in here.
I know.
People say they want to see the finished product, so you gotta show them.
Oops.
What's up? Oh, here's the couch.
Whoop, whoop.
How's that look?
We're just just gonna cook it right now.
We all slept in here last night instead of the tent, and we fit, surprisingly. It was pretty comfortable.
Yeah, we really, seriously, we had me, Cav, Keenan, Cam, and Holden all on that bed. And then, because it pulls out, so it's like a little fort underneath. So Maddox slept underneath, Steele slept right here on the floor, and then Sean slept over here.
Thank God for new soft carpet. Yep,
Yeah.
and this camp turns into a bed. Table drops down, these things all lay out across there.
It was actually super awesome.
These guys are on a fire tirade. We laid that down because you just track so much dust in there. That was actually an expensive spider blanket. I can't believe we're doing that, but it saves the floor, I guess. So we're getting our firewood ready for tonight. Making a nice bed of coal so we can cook. Kids are having fun. We're about to go ride go-karts. Don't be hitting me with no stick. The unused tent. These guys. Alright, don't you think we got enough wood? Yeah, how are you gonna get out of there now?
Oh, look.
Keenan's in jail. Alright, no more, buddy. Come on. Come over here. So, one thing we do need to get is hammocks. I never knew hammocking was a thing, but it is. So we're gonna get those. So now our plan is we want to start flipping Copart campers. So we're gonna use this one once. We've got maybe, conservatively, $1,000 into this thing. It's got a furnace, air conditioner, microwave, fridge, everything works, stove. So we should be able to get more than $1,000 for this. We're gonna go buy another one, remodel it, and then we'll go camping with that one. Until we find one we like, you know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. But the kids are loving it. They're all having fun. Got our wood ready for tonight. Britt, she hasn't come out of here yet. She just wants to keep cleaning this thing until she gets it looking the way she wants, and then we mess it up.
I know, I cleaned it like 10 times already because I have OCD, you guys.
We're camping.
I know we are camping, so it's totally laid back, but
Air conditioner up there.
I just don't like wrappers and food everywhere.
Right. So yeah.
We're making us some instant coffee right now.
Instant coffee, camping coffee.
Camping coffee.
I just drank a cup and I'm freaking jittery.
He's wired.
Holy cow.
It's fun.
Yeah, you guys having fun?
Yeah. And did you tell him like all the freaking hard work I put into all my fabric, and like so on the ends where I folded it like a present, I tacked them together with sticky sides is on one side on the fabric, and then it's Velcro. Well, none of them are holding up, so when we get home I have to redo all of it and actually seam them together.
Yep. Which we will.
Which
no big deal.
We're getting
It's good, thick
really
fabric.
fun.
It feels good. It feels like a cushion.
Yeah, it does. It feels like good camper fabric, not like chintzy sheet.
Yep.
So it's awesome.
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.
Go-karts and pool.
Yes, they have a pool here. They have go-karts here. They have mini golf here, and we get to do all of it.
Basketball, shuffleboard,
parks. They have a little train here to pull kids around. The boys love it, especially because they can just go. They come and go to the park and riding their bikes as they please. This place is probably a mile by mile. There's probably 800 campers here. It's huge. Ha, nice. Good try. But we're gonna spend another day and another night here. It's a freaking blast. I never thought I would like camping. I've never gone, you know. I went with a friend when I was really young once, you know, and when you're a kid you just walk around and, you know, you're looking for girls. But I was like, I don't know. I'm not really a people person. I don't want to be around a bunch of people I don't know. And you know what? It actually is awesome. Turned out to be really fun. So we're thinking about turning this into a regular thing. And right now, I can't wait to go buy some Copart campers. These things are cheap. It's a car auction. People are there to buy cars. Nobody buys campers, and you can get them cheap. I probably shouldn't be saying this on YouTube because now I'm gonna be competing with people. Oh my gosh, Hulk. Yeah, yeah. But
let's go!
Yeah, this is freaking awesome, guys. What do we got going?
Making sand. sandwiches.
Nice. That
Okay.
AC is kicking right now.
It is so nice.
Heck yeah, we just got back from the pool. Oh shoot. This is a hat I won at the carnival.
Yeah, you should have been wearing that for the pool. There you go. Cover that hat of yours, baby.
What's up?
Yeah. I love it.
Kids are out here having fun. We're restarting our fire so we can do s'mores. Kids, your Gatorade bottles need to get picked up.
Oh, that one's mine again.
We aren't littering. What are you eating, Sean?
Lunchable.
Lunchable nachos.
And he broke my brother's bike. So
Oh man.
subscribe.
Yeah. These kids out here.
It's
Ooh, what you got there, Keen?
golden brown marshmallow.
Yeah, it looks like it touched the ground though. What you got going?
Fixing my grip.
Nice, that's a sweet bike. Bought that with his own money. He was actually flipping. He flipped what did you flip? A couple things.
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike and something else. RC
trike.
cars.
And
A drift trike. Yep. You have to go back into the channel. Go back and watch. He flips things. My other son Cam, he flips things. He had a go-kart, a quad, a dirt bike, RC cars, but he flips whatever he can to buy his bike. What have you flipped so far to buy your bike?
A go-kart. Wait.
You had the shifter cart.
Go-kart, quad, dirt bike.
Yeah.
You had an RC.
RC,
Yep. Up
pit
on the
bike.
RC pit bike. So he started with 300 bucks last Christmas, bought a go-kart, traded it for a quad, traded the quad for a dirt bike, sold the dirt bike for how much?
600.
It was like 800 bucks. Went back, bought a couple more things, bought that pit bike, traded that up, sold it for more. So
Yeah,
he does that.
At the house,
Makes
he
money.
has
Let's clean the face
his
off.
Xbox and his RC car that he bought that he could still sell for
Yeah.
money.
Face off.
Yeah, he bought his own Xbox and his own RC car, which it's a Traxxas TRX4. So brand new. It's $300 RC. He picked it up for 200 bucks.
$400 RC.
Whatever. Either way, got these kids flipping things, making money, so they're using their skills. But we're just hanging out at the campsite. Look at that corner trims.
His channel.
If you haven't seen the other videos, what I did to this thing, you'll notice the corner trims. They're blending in nice, aren't they?
Dad.
Cleaned it right up.
Hey, shout out to his channel.
So yeah, we're just camping. Just got back from swimming. We're gonna eat some food. Last day here. What's wrong with your coffee?
It's horrible. It's no
It's not really camping if you got a microwave, so we're half camping. Well, yeah, everybody's up. Last day, we're leaving here at 11. Kids are eating s'mores for breakfast.
Breakfast champions.
Yep.
Ew.
Trying to burn a fence post that they found. Nice. Don't breathe
I
that
need to
smoke.
find
That's
some more
treated
wood.
lumber. I wouldn't cook any food off that either.
Oops.
Yeah.
Kid, put your marshmallow down in it, not on top of that
Alright,
big one. Under
I want it all
Then it'll
black.
cook it better.
Yeah.
Sean, just put my...
We need to go on a hunt for more wood, babe.
All right.
We'll be back.
Gonna go find some more wood, guys. Keep these kids warm and eating marshmallows. All right, guys, we're packing up. Time to go
Day's over.
back to the real world.
School starts tomorrow.
Yep. Oh, this guy just got hurt.
He's so
We made it home. Yeah. Watching YouTube on TV. They're all resting.
Cake on YouTube.
Nice Minecraft. You guys should be helping clean the camper. Huh? Mom's doing a great job. Let's go check her out. Slaving away tirelessly.
Yeah. Everything is already unpacked and I started cleaning.
Yes. I may or may not have took a nap.
I may or may not have let me take a nap as well.
I needed one though.
Yeah, you did.
Oh my gosh.
It was a long weekend, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was. It was a blast actually. I want to do it again, so what we're going to do is we're going to sell this one. We're going to buy another Copart camper. We're going to remodel that one or do whatever we need to do to that one. We're going to take it camping.
Yep.
But, yeah.
Make it a regular thing like flipping cars, but flipping campers.
That's right.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. We might not do it like one after another, but
No. Not at
I
all.
will be buying more campers from Copart, I guarantee it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Maybe over the winter time we'll have like 5 of them by spring.
That'd be sweet, because then we could just fix them up, and then as soon as it starts
be
getting
really
warm
sweet.
out, sell them.
Make a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I cannot believe everything works, guys.
Everything. It's awesome.
Everything works. It's this air conditioner. Yes.
That was
nice.
super nice to have during the day. Like, it's just
Furnace.
crazy to me.
Yeah.
So the kids
Awesome.
had the best time ever.
Yes.
None of them wanted to come home,
Nope.
especially because school is tomorrow.
We gotta go school shoe shopping.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Yikes.
All right. You know you did good when your kids are doing that. They're always running around with nuclear energy. They're all tired, man. We had a really good time, really good weekend. So I'm still sitting on a pile of cash from the Jeep we sold Friday. I gotta get to the junkyard for this tomorrow. Kids are gonna be in school tomorrow, so I can just come and go again, which is nice. I'll be at the junkyard making videos and getting this Jeep fixed. I gotta get this sold. I gotta buy something else. Hopefully maybe I can buy something today, but we gotta go school shopping. I need to get them all shoes, a couple more things, supplies, so today's tied up. But yeah, I want to get this up, maybe just do a short video on our weekend. Camper worked good. So yeah, that's awesome. It's good to be home though. Isn't it, Cam? Sometime, oh, right here. We should have brought this. I was riding them bikes to the trails and really could have used a mountain bike. I have no idea how good it feels to be here. But yes, it's definitely good to be back home,
So
isn't
good
it?
to be home. Yeah.
So,
Just to sleep in your own bed and
oh my gosh, I fell
go to
asleep on
the
the couch.
bathroom in your own toilet. It's awesome.
Like a toilet? That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, for sure.
But I hope you enjoyed our weekend because we did.
Yes.
It's probably a short video. I don't know how long it is. We didn't film much there. We were just having fun.
Just here and there, yeah. We were so busy
Yep.
having fun, just enjoying ourselves.
Yep.
So glad we got to show you on our little trip.
Yeah.
So
Awesome.
yes.
Thank you for watching our videos. What's up to all the new subscribers? Be looking for the new cars. Be looking for the junkyard video. Gonna go sell that. We got a lot of things we gotta do. I gotta spend some money on another car, maybe 2 cars. Can't wait. I'm gonna get my butt back on Facebook Market.
Yep. And we need to do a breakdown of what we spent total with remodeling and buying it, and then what we actually will end up selling it for. I'm getting it cleaned up, and I'll probably post it today because I already have pictures of it. And then once it sells, we'll let you guys know.
We'll let you know how lucrative the camper Copart business is.
I'm nervous.
Oh, Copart camper business.
Yeah.
You never know. I think it is going to be lucrative because I've seen them things go for 50 bucks. I've seen them go for 100 bucks.
Right.
And you know what? We got that one for $425, 6 out the door. You know, I don't think we've put that much into it, honestly.
I think only like 2, maybe 300.
She's been researching campers. I haven't. I haven't even looked up one at all. So she thinks it's worth more.
I see them all the time on Facebook and like what they go for. So I've kind of been keeping my eye out. So
Yeah, we'll see. She thinks it's worth more than I do. We'll see what we get. We'll see how much money we made, and that'll tell us how many more we're gonna buy.
Yes.
So we'll see you guys later. If you haven't subscribed, maybe think about subscribing.
Yep.
If the people that we were camping with next door are watching this, what's up?
Hey.
Hopefully we see you at another campground again. We'll have to get together. It was awesome. And
always.
Peace
Thank
out.
you so much. Bye.